Hello everyone, I'm Nadja, and welcome to one of 7 simple things to instantly improve your collaboration. We are Generation Purpose and we make purpose work. Today, let's have a non-discussion. This is my version 1.0b. You know this situation. Someone says, I want to have a discussion about this, or even, let's discuss this before we decide. Sounds great, right? But what actually happens is this. Always the same few people talk. And always the same few people are silent. Hierarchies may dominate the discussion. You might want to follow the boss. We are trained to win the argument rather than look for the best solution. Only a few perspectives are heard. Many valuable ones are never voiced. Some people might disconnect from the discussion entirely. It's not the best use of everyone's time, and it can lead to frustration and anger. There's still the illusion. We discussed this, you were part of it, but that's not necessarily true. While we really all want this, we want that everyone participates fully. We want to benefit from the diversity of the group. We want the inclusion of all. We want the best solution. We want a common solution. We want everyone to be in real agreement. We want many perspectives. We want a motivated team. Oh my God, this seems impossible. But it's not. A very simple process is the solution. Open questions that everyone answers first in writing, then shares by reading loud. So first, everyone thinks about the question. Everyone writes down an answer or two. Everyone reads the answer loud. Everyone listens. There are no discussions and no comments. And this is what happens. Everyone shares an equal amount of ideas or solutions. Each answer is the right answer. Many perspectives are heard by everyone. There is empathic listening happening. Everyone connects with the topic or the challenge. We learn from each other. Everyone understands the topic at a deeper level by listening to everyone. The group synchronizes and gets ready for building a joint solution. Go try it out and see you next time.